Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 9X Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now additionally, if this device changes the language to the language of the SIM card, I'll also show you how you can change that. I do understand that not everybody will be using a SIM card from a country that they actually speak the language of. So as an example, right now I'm speaking English to you, right? Which, assuming you are watching this, you most likely understand it. And if you're like me and you insert this SIM card, the phone will, if I'm correct, will change the language to Polish, because this SIM card is Polish. And if you don't speak that language, you're kind of screwed. So let's first pop the SIM card in. Now, to get started, you will need one of these things, a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in a box, but if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now from there, you want to pop the tool in where the actual tray is, which is on the top left side of the device. Push it in, and as you will see, the tray pops out just ever so slightly, enough for you to take it out. And on here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card, each tray being completely dedicated to its to whatever it's supposed to hold. So there we go. And from here we can insert it back into the device. Give it a second, and there is the pin, which also, as you can see, automatically changed the damn language of the phone. You can already see it right here, and this is the most effing annoying thing. There is nothing that gets my jimmies more rustled than the automatic language change, because the problem here is it doesn't just change the language, it completely eats out of memory the old one. So English is now completely gone. So to get this changed back to your desired language, the one that you picked throughout the setup, which I am frustrated by this beyond belief, what you want to do is navigate into the settings, which is this icon right here. Everything should be in the same position, so if it doesn't matter what it's written, it might be in a different language for you, obviously. So just pay attention to what position I'm clicking on. So once you're in settings, you want to scroll all the way down to the last option right here, and you can see this is the icon for it, this grayish icon with like a phone and an eye inside of it. Click on it, and a language and region will be the 4th option from the top. So as you can see, countdown 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right here. And then you want to select the first option, which is language and region, and then select the add language, which is the blue text below the first one. As you can see, the first one has like 2 bars. The second one allows you to actually add the language. And in here, simply find your desired language, which for me it's going to be English. And in here, it asks you if you want to change it. So I'm going to select the option to change it, which is on the right side. Confirm it, and there we go. As you can see, it automatically changes it. Now, I have no idea why this damn thing changes the language to language of the SIM card without even asking you, and it is infuriating beyond belief. So if you had to change this, or if your language got changed, this is basically how you can revert back to what you had by default before. And now going back to the actual purpose of this video, this was basically how you would insert a SIM card and SD card, and additionally how you would deal with the automatic language change. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.